I want to provide you with a more complete introduction to Beat the Bug. This is our first series for 2021. Beat the Bug is a weekly webinar with meditation at its core. We explore a different theme each week. Topics include stress, personal power, emotional balance, love, fear, anger, peace of mind, psychological safety, the breath, the heart, and trauma. These themes are explored from the perspective of a yogic meditative mind and from the perspective of somatic relational psychology. Our goal is to create a safe, shared space in which you can explore your relationship with these topics through meditation and guided imagery, and perhaps even sharing your experiences with others. Together, in a secure online platform, we practice meditations that can help you deepen your connection to your inner world, better understand what bugs you, and neutralize what gets in the way of the life for which you long. We explore these themes in ways designed to help you transform your relationship with the topic of the week, to evolve your understanding of the role it plays in your life, and perhaps even to heal your relationship with these patterns that may have begun long ago. You will receive copies of the therapeutic meditations from each week you attend. In this way, you can develop a daily practice in the time and space of your choosing. There is sound scientific research for many of the meditation practices we use, and we're currently working to develop ways in which you can participate in researching the efficacy of additional meditation practices. Beat the Bug is offered through psychologyofthespirit.org. There are no fees associated with these services. We do encourage you to donate to organizations that you choose to help others live a healthy, happy, prosperous life. Any donations made to Psychology of the Spirit will be used to improve the services we provide and expand their reach to underserved communities. We meditate to know ourselves more deeply and share our truth more freely in ways that support our lives and the lives of those about whom we care. We meditate to open our hearts and clear our minds so that we can be more comfortable and confident and effective in our lives. Life is a journey. Share this portion of your journey in the Beat the Bug community. Follow psychologyofthespirit.org on social media and share your email in the box above so that we can let you know when the first series of Beat the Bug begins in the next few weeks. Deepen your connection to yourself. Let your presence serve your world. Join us in psychologyofthespirit.org. Join us to beat this bug. Join us to transform what's bugging you into a resource that strengthens your life. Bless you, bless you.